Hello everybody, my name is Lunar Animator and today I'm going to show you guys how to do some animation. I did an old tutorial about a few years ago. Don't watch it. Bad. Really bad. So today I'm going to show you how to replicate this. Scene from my old video, Locked Up in Darkness. Now, there's a lot of different ways to approach this. One way that you can do that is, if I click on this, you can, do it the stupid way, which is the old method, which you can see that I've done here. Now you can see that I've have, if I mute the audio a little bit, I'll probably change the song so it won't get copyrighted. So you can see here I put keyframes on here. Now this is not the way you should do it. This is actually wrong because this is fucking time consuming as shit. Look, just to get, look. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on Spring Bonnie here. And if I click on him, look at all the keyframes I have. Look at all these stupid keyframes that I placed on every, well not every, but on the parts that I need to move. Why did I do that? This is so unnecessary. After I learned this method, you really don't need to do all this. It's just stupid. Now, this trick is very crucial. You need to work out. Okay, so what you need to do. Okay, so we're gonna try just replicate. Let's first try to replicate this scene, right? These shots, like these. How about the whole thing? Yeah, the whole thing. Let's replicate. Okay, so what you want to do is go on to, let's make a new scene and we're gonna call it tutorial. There we go. We're gonna make it let's make it 60 because everything is 60 now. Then hit create and save this. Oh, okay, here's a new scene. Okay, so now I know we're gonna say, okay, Lunar, so how am I gonna animate? Normally the animation you have to import all the models, the maps. You don't really need to do that. Okay, I think we all now if you press the period key, not the period key, the little one next to the 1 key on the side, is that the period key? I don't know. To get the console box basically. So we're gonna use this to make this little code here that will make SFM do most of our job for us, like new update, secret, I don't know. I found this out random just playing around. So, So first we need to put in a code to activate this. I'm just gonna type in the code. We gotta put lazy /1 equals 0. So you're gonna see that it's an unknown comment because it's a secret. So if you try to type it in, it will just say this, but that means it's working. So we have it working now. Okay, so it's working. So now what we can do is, now since it's already working, we can just click here, and now you can just click make, just put make _ animation, And now you have to put a slash. Now this is very important. Here you have to tell the program what kind of animation you want to make. Now you can be very descriptive and add very specific ones. So I'm just gonna put in FNAF and FNAF dot animation. No, you already put that there. That is if you want to make an animation inside of animation. We don't want that. We want FNAF. Okay, well, make underscore animation slash FNAF point. Now I have to put the characters. Bring. Remember, no spaces. You just need to put underscores. I always forget this, but try to not add any spaces. Bonnie. And we're going to put in anima. So we can add the other ones. So we can just add, the rest of them. Now, but I'm going to put a minus here. So we're going to exclude baby, because we don't want her in this animation. And we're going to exclude all fun time. So all the fun times will be gone. All we want is enter, right? We only saw enter in that animation, so that's all we want. Now, now be very careful. Now this is just gonna submit it, and now it's gonna make a lot of an unknown stuff, which it's common. Okay. Now all you need to do is click. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click equals true. Click it, and it will make it. Now, all you need to do is click this, and you'll see nothing happen. Well, all you need to do is click this little play button. Once you click this, it will start making the animation. Be very careful, because if your computer is very weak, it could crash SFM every time you try to make it, because this is a very intensive progress. Source filmmaker is going to try to calculate all the things we made and make into his own animation, okay? Now, I'm going to click the make button. Click. And now you can see it's done. We got the entire animation completely done. See? We got it here. And it's working. We can play back through it. It's amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, then please leave a like and leave a comment on what should I do next. Maybe should I do another tutorial on how to do this in Blender, because you can do this in Blender and any other program if you know how to. Now, it won't work in After Effects, sadly. What I said earlier, it's not true. It doesn't work on all programs. Some programs will not work, like After Effects. But if you can get into the source code, then it'll work even better, like in Blender. So I can just go and type the same thing here, but will be differently, and it will just make the exact same thing. Now, it will take longer to make, and you'll need a better computer to run in Blender, because it will have to not only animate, you'll have to build the entire models and stuff. So maybe I'll do this. Maybe I'll do a Blender tutorial maybe next month once I figure all this out. I don't know. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
I'm going to kill you, and all the cake is gone.